My name is Kevin O'Neill. I'm the founder and CEO of CYVA Research Corporation. Title, Augmented Cyber Warrior and Trust Community Operator Kit, TRL Level 5. Subtopics, Cyber Warfare and Liberty, a Strategic View. Human Digital Liberty Platforms and Services. Introductory questions. Do you believe humans have a right to protect and control their personal information wherever it exists? And how do you support and defend the U.S. Constitution, our Bill of Rights against all enemies, foreign and domestic, in cyberspace? Our solution? We are augmenting our cyber warriors, our special forces, our military, with CYVA's personal information agent technology. This is a warrior citizen controls, intelligent, self-protecting, self-monetizing mobile identity agent. Alignment. Point 1, assuring cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, data solutions, protect data, project power in and through cyberspace. 2, novel application of artificial intelligence to materially impact one or more DoD mission areas. Problem, it is essential to understand that the unending and escalating cybersecurity catastrophe we are experiencing is entirely man-made. There's no end in sight to successful cyber attacks by our enemies. We are all being tracked, surveilled, profiled. Our special forces and their families are priority targets for our enemies in cyberspace. Core to our man-made cybersecurity catastrophe is the fact that primitive data types, dumb data, were never designed to be owner-operator controlled wherever they exist post-decryption. Intelligent, self-protecting, self-monetizing. Problem, historical analogy. For 85 years, U.S. auto manufacturers built cars without safety belts. Thousands died. Ralph Nader's book, Unsafe at Any Speed, The Design Dangers of the American Automobile, was a catalyst for much-needed change in automobile safety. Today, our data has no safety belts. This is by Big Tech Design. A new book entitled Unsafe at Any Clock Speed, The Design Dangers of Information Technology, is long overdue, as is confronting Big Tech's willful negligence and rejection of disruptive cybersecurity, privacy, and liberty solutions. Perpetuating a primitive dumb data paradigm is essential to the status quo in a business model and strategy of maximum control and exploitation of our personal information by crony big business, corrupt tyrannical big government, and our foreign enemies. Solution. CYVA's patented self-determining digital persona and personal information agent, hardware and software technologies represent a fundamental paradigm shift in information assurance, re-engineering dumb data to be human-controlled wherever it exists, intelligent, self-protecting, self-monetizing. Impact. Our cyber warriors now can directly control their digital identity, lock, unlock at will, erase at will, audit at will. Impact. Special operators can conduct information asset management, intelligence brokering, manage community trust reputations in real time, share PIA-based ID and assets across communities and domains. Impact. Trust Community Operator Kit provides trust community operators a high survivability, secure, small form factor, portable kit to independently operate and manage their own TCs, support peer-to-peer communications, and resell PIA licenses. Impact. Security rule number 1, trust no one. Always maintain direct operational control of your information assets. Soft operators leave no digital footprint, no digital trail for adversaries to exploit. Impact. Irregular cyber warfare, a strategic view. Our present cyber battle space agility and dominance is negatively affected by the primitive, weak, dumb data paradigm promoted by big tech and exploited all day long by our enemies. To overcome these inherent data weaknesses will require new thinking, new approaches. Strategically, we need to re-engineer cyberspace at its core, the data object. We must revise, re-engineer the cyber battle space to our advantage. Differentiation, AI, rule engine, code generation, and maintenance. CYVA is employing human understandable AI, ID3 modified AI algorithm to generate decision trees based on example sets versus incomprehensible neural network-based AI. Per person annual license for TC Communicator and PIA subscription service plans.